everyone. Now we are going to see about the resource allocation that we have to do for any production process or service that we are going to render. So procuring of raw materials is playing a very important role because you may have lorry strikes, you may have some natural disaster that may stop as a barrier on the way to the raw materials that are coming. So how we are going to allocate all the 5 M's: men, material, everything, method. If somebody is coming from outsourcing and they're going to work, you have to arrange all these resource allocations properly. So resource allocation is a crucial aspect of strategic management, which involves the careful distribution of assets to achieve organizational goal. This process ensures resources are used effectively and strategically, leading to optimal performance and sustainability growth to have ultimately to have a long-term sustainability, right? So defining strategic management, when you have to frame a proper vision, mission, environment analysis, you have to frame, you have to have a strategic formulation, and how you're going to implement and how you're going to control it finally, right? Excuse me. The importance of resource allocation, why you are allocating resource. So when we see this, we have basically 4 categories where you have, it should be very efficient. So resource allocation maximizes the use of resources and minimizes inventory if less. Then effectiveness, it ensures resources are aligned with strategic goal contribution direct to organization success. So if effectiveness in the resource allocation can stop idle time of men, material, method, or ultimately the final product that you're going to make. So effectiveness will be enhanced. And competitive advantage, resource allocation allows organization to focus on their strength and capitalize on the opportunities, gain a competitive edge. So if you have an opportunity and you have raw materials at hand, you can give them at right time, right? So if the raw materials are not in your hand, you have to wait and you till the order is placed and the raw material reaches your production unit. So competitive advantage happens then and there. Then growth and sustainability, you can have a very good growth and sustainability if you have a proper resource allocation process. By the numbers and innovation, types of resources in strategic management, the financial resource, you have to arrange the funds that are to be capital and funds, how you arrange for your production. Then human resource, men, how you are going to have your own people from your organization, or if you have a demand for extra, then you have to procure from outside also. Then physical resources include tangible assets such as building, equipments, inventory, machineries, etc. Technological resources handled with hardware, software, and technological infrastructure that are required. Then factors influencing resource allocation decisions are strategic goal, financial constraints, and competitive landscape. So strategic goal, for reaching an ultimate goal, you have to have an objective and how we are going to achieve them. All this has to be framed. Secondly, when financial constraint, your bank loan may get delayed, your fund may be outstanding. All aspects can be constrained in this situation. In competitive landscape, it talks about the environment and industry play a role in allocating influence strategic choices. So when you have a lot of choices, if you really want to give a quality product, you have to select the best one. You have to always have a part of resources in your thing to have a competitive landscape that occurs. So aligning resource allocation with strategic objective. So for this, first you have to monitor, then analyze, then develop, then plan what you have to do and execute. So this will help an organization to everything to achieve a goal, resource assessment, and prioritize what is prior to everything, and you have to prioritize the steps that is required, and you have to allocate and monitor then and there. Then techniques for effective resources talks about the budgeting, fund that you have to arrange for your process, and project management and performance measure and scenario that is playing a vital role. In monitoring and adjusting resource allocation, it talks about how the performance reviews happens, then financial tracking, market analysis, everything plays a vital role here. Thank you for giving me an opportunity. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. Thank you.